Hello, Upcycle clothing designers. I'm Sunju and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I teach how to transform old clothes into stylish wardrobe pieces featuring current fashion trends. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to upcycle a dress shirt into a Staud-inspired peplum blouse. I took a cotton poplin dress shirt and transformed it into a feminine peplum blouse silhouette. Let's get started! For this peplum blouse from dress shirt tutorial, start by deconstructing the original dress shirt. Use scissors to detach the collar and neckband. Use scissors to cut along the arm seam to detach both sleeves. Also, cut off both cuffs. Remove the pocket square. Take off the buttons from the button placket. Cut the hem off the bottom of the dress shirt. Cut off the buttonhole placket. And use a seam ripper to open up the button placket. Cut the shoulder seams and also along the back yoke. Lastly, cut open both side seams. To make the front bodice piece pattern, use the chest piece of the original dress shirt. Measure 4.5 inches away from the edge just underneath the neckline. From that point, mark 11 inches and also 17 inches down from the shoulder seam. Draw a straight line across the bottom at the 17-inch mark. Draw a diagonal line from the 11-inch mark to the spot marked on the shoulder seam. Measure a new shoulder that is 3 inches wide. And also measure 7.5 inches across from the 11-inch mark. To make the new armhole, follow the armhole of the original dress shirt and connect the new shoulder with the new underarm seam. To make the side seam of the front bodice, connect the underarm with the bottom opening. Cut along the lines to get one front bodice piece. For the high-low underbust waistband, mark 2 inches up from the bottom opening under the armhole. Draw a diagonal line to the bottom of the V neckline. To complete the front bodice pattern, copy the front bodice piece onto the other chest piece of the original dress shirt. Pin to ensure that the fabric remains taut and cut to copy. To make the back bodice piece pattern, use the back of the original dress shirt. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise. Use the front bodice piece as a guide. Draw a straight line across the bottom opening and cut. Trace the shoulder seam, underarm, and side seam and cut. For the back bodice opening, draw a straight line from the shoulder to the bottom corner. Cut to make a deep plunging V shape. To make the peplum part, use the remaining bottom piece of the original dress shirt. Fold the back bottom piece of the dress shirt in half. Measure a rectangle that is 7.5 inches by 11.5 inches from the folded line. To make the high-low under-bust waistband, use the V-shaped piece cut from the back bodice pattern. Fold in half lengthwise. Measure 9 inches from the side edge and 2 inches from the folded edge. Cut along the line. Cut the folded edge, resulting in 2 separate high-low under-bust waistband pieces. To make the backside waistband, use the original yoke piece. Fold the piece in half and cut along the folded edge. Measure 2 separate rectangles that are 9 inches by 2 inches. To complete the front bodice, measure halfway along the bottom edge of the front piece. Close the 3/4 inch bust dart. To complete the plunging V neckline of the front bodice, use a piece of excess fabric to make a 1 inch wide strap. If the fabric has vertical stripes, then it will create unique diagonal lines on the front of the blouse. Double fold the strap and pin to secure. Top stitch along the edge to hem the V neckline. To complete the high-low under-bust waistband, lay the 2 pieces with the right sides facing each other. Top stitch along the center seam. To attach the front bodice to the high-low under-bust waistband, place the pieces with the right sides facing each other. Pin to secure and edge top stitch. To complete the back bodice, use a piece of excess fabric to make a 1 inch wide strap. Double fold the strap and pin to secure. Top stitch along the edge to hem the back piece V neckline. To attach the back bodice to the backside waistband, place the pieces with the right sides facing each other. Pin to secure and edge top stitch. To complete the top bodice, lay the front piece on top of the back piece with the right sides facing each other. Top stitch both side seams. And also top stitch both shoulder seams. To complete the peplum part, lay 1 piece on top of each other with the right sides facing inwards. Edge top stitch to attach the pieces together. To create shirring on the peplum part, use a wide stitch width and edge top stitch. Gently pull on the back thread to gather the fabric and create bunching along the edges. To attach the bodice piece to the peplum part, lay the bodice on top of the peplum with the right sides facing each other. Measure the width of the top bodice so that you can evenly match the peplum part. Pin to secure and top stitch. To hem the peplum piece, 1/4 inch top stitch the bottom. Also hem the side opening. To make the new sleeves, use the sleeves from the original dress shirt, remove the button on the cuff, then close the opening with top stitch. Cut a 7 inches long piece of 1/4 inch elastic band. Top stitch to attach both ends together and create a loop. Slide the elastic loop over the sleeve opening. Pin to secure an edge top stitch. Fold over the sleeve opening so the fabric covers the elastic band and top stitch once more to finish the sleeve. To attach the sleeves to the bodice, pin the sleeve around the armhole with the right sides facing together. To make the backside bow tie, use the hem that were cut off the bottom of the original dress shirt. Trim the edges and use the drawstrings as they are. Attach one strap to the inside of each shoulder seam. To make the backside button closure, use the button and buttonhole from the original neckband. Cut off the buttonhole to make a small tab. Attach the buttonhole tab to the backside waistband with top stitch. Mark the placement of the button with fabric chalk and sew the button in place. Tie a cute bow tie with the drawstrings to complete this peplum blouse. Thank you so much for watching this upcycle tutorial to transform a Staud-inspired peplum blouse from a dress shirt. Please leave a comment below and share your favorite ways to upcycle a dress shirt. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!